everyone, it's Marianne from Valiant Technology with another tech tip. Today I want to go over a really cool feature in Zoom, which is breakout rooms. It's great for having people collaborate separately and then they can all come back together and we can discuss. Great for instruction and a couple other things you might want to do. So let's take a look. One prerequisite for using breakout rooms is that you do have to have it enabled in the settings. So from the Zoom app, you can click Settings, but you will need to use advanced options, which will bring you to the browser settings and find the meeting section. From there, just scroll down until you get to breakout room. Click to enable, and it's going to show up when you start your Zoom meeting. So when you're in your Zoom meeting, you'll be able to see if you move your mouse around, there's now a breakout rooms button here. If you're like me and you like to have the chat open or you like to have the participants view open, it might get hidden away because it's the last one in the list. So you can just click more and you've got this breakout rooms option right there. When you open it up, this is going to be the dialog for creating your breakout rooms. Right now I don't have any participants because this is just a demo, but it'll say how many participants you want to invite into how many rooms. One thing that's cool is that you can have it just automatically assign people and it'll just sort them out themselves, or you can manually do this. If you want to do that, you do have to have the participants available and you would sort and put them in whichever room you prefer. There isn't a way for them to pick their own room, which means that they can't really choose their own groups without telling you beforehand. Once you do that, you create rooms. Here's where you can assign them. You can rename it, give them team names, make sure you know who's in what. If these people in the first breakout room are in charge of webinar content and the people in breakout room 2 are in charge of webinar invites, you can name it like that and people will know. And when you assign them to a room, it's going to pop up. This is what your participants are going to see, and it's going to tell them that they've been invited to a specific room. What's nice is while they're in their breakout rooms, they can also request for the host to come into the room if they have any questions. There are a lot of options when setting up your meetings and how you want to set up breakout rooms to work best for you. So I suggest exploring all these options, trying it out before you actually implement it for the first time to clients or students or whoever you're going to be implementing this with. For more tech tips, including Zoom tutorials, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or you can visit us at thevaliantway.com and check out our knowledge base. Bye-bye.